So good afternoon, everybody. And you may well know by now that the National BizX Forum and Awards are rapidly approaching. They're going to be taking place at the London Excel on the 20th and the 21st of April. And there's a fantastic array of world-class speakers and 19 different national awards to be handed out. So this afternoon, I'm delighted to be joined by Paul van Heeswijk, known to me and everybody I know as Dutch. Dutch, does anybody know you as anything else other than Dutch?
Nope. I think that'll be the first time people have learnt my surname.
Well, I hope it was pronounced correctly. And Dutch, thank you, and I appreciate that. Founder and now runs Crucial Engineering, one of the good companies that we work with. And the company has been put up for the Most Innovative Company Award. So Dutch, I'd like you to tell us a bit more about the company and that award application. Perhaps you could start off by just telling people what Crucial Engineering does for its clients.
Yep, so we are automated security experts. So we assist in the field of commercial and industrial units. So we can help with automated security gates, barriers, industrial doors, loading bays. We have an aluminium arm of the business, so we install aluminium doors and windows, shop fronts, curtain walling, and we make glass.
Make glass? That's a bit...
Yes. Yep.
Do you actually make the glass itself?
We make the double glazed units, so we get oversized sheets of glass and we make the units. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. So, and what are the innovations at Crucial that you've most proud of in recent years?
So currently, the most recent innovation is the solar-powered and battery-powered traffic barrier. So this has come about from a number of blue chip companies nationally that have large premises and large yards that they need vehicle and fork truck control. They're really struggling to get mains power out into the yards. So we were asked if there was anything on the market that would be suitable. This country is known for its cloud cover, so solar is always a tricky one. But we've created a solar barrier with interchangeable batteries. So if we have periods of winter that are less favourable for solar, it's a simple battery swap, like you would with a powerless drill. Yeah.
Okay. So as an organisation, how do you go about developing a new product like that?
It takes a long time. So at the beginning phase, we're just looking at what batteries types would be most effective. So we test different types of batteries, what solar panels would be most effective, controllers that can work with the battery and the panel together to give the required voltage, ampage, length of time, recharge times. Once we can ascertain that we can create the nominal voltage for a sustained period, that's when we can move into actually putting prototypes out there to see how they perform.
Okay, thank you. And it's really interesting to see how that's developed. So what's your strategy for developing further products like this, innovative products?
So, I mean, the solar that we've created actually can be retrofit to any 12, 24, 36 volt asset. So this will allow them to be installed on farmyard electric gates. Again, barriers. The barriers can be temporary, so they can actually be moved with the solar because there's no main supply. So sort of the highways agency and things like that they're interested in how they can carry out, say, motorway works and move the barriers along with them at the same time whilst they're working. So yeah, that actual supply can actually be retrofit to multiple different products.
Wow. Okay. And in terms of commercial interest, who are the people that are looking at this, or have you got any out in the field now working?
Yes, yeah, we have. We've actually released this now. So we had a 12-month prototype on a local blue chip company site. Really happy with how it's gone. There's been a lot of tweaks along the way and revisions, but we're actually at a stage now where it's the customer's happy and we're happy. So yeah, we're actually rolling this out now to the most needed sites.
Fantastic. And what have been your biggest learnings about innovation in general going through this process?
The time it takes. As an entrepreneur, I naturally am a go-getter, so I like things done tomorrow.
Now.
And now, it's not always a possibility with innovation. So yeah, learning that things take time and the proof's in the long term.
Okay. And how has this innovation and this whole culture of innovation helped you develop Crucial in recent years? What's changed?
It's allowed us to think further into the security industry and how we can add more innovation, and not just innovation, but sustainability. You know, what we have created is also a sustainable solution. So a lot of people that are looking to reduce the carbon footprint, this is a source that enables them to do that. So it's all really got us thinking about sustainability and innovation and how we can sort of maximize that into our industry sector.
So really changing the sector. Fantastic. Dutch, that's a fantastic story. Thank you very much for joining me this afternoon to tell it. Looking forward to celebrating with you, with all the finalists and all the award winners at the awards night. We're going to have a great evening. See you then.
We certainly are. Thank you.